All right. This is Mr. Lily from Tutor Academy, coming up with something fantastic for you today. Are you writing physics, chemistry, or you're writing any calculation subject like accounting, economics in Jamb? Then you need to watch this video. You usually like it. It's going to help you to smash your Jamb exam. Trust me. Um, Good afternoon. In this video, I'll be showing student doing Jamb calculation, or you're actually doing the subject that has to deal with calculation in Jamb, then you actually need to know this. If you are doing physics, chemistry, mathematics, economics, or accounting, then you need to know this and you need to watch this video. And number one, you will not be allowed to take calculator into the exam, or which some of you watching this video right now should be aware of it right now. If you don't know, then you need to know right now. The way you calculator on the Jamb software, which is not a scientific calculator, is an example of it. Can find square root, can find square, plus minus is equal to a decimal point, which definitely you might be needing even how you solve your questions as such. Some of you have been practicing Jamb calculations or practicing your various subjects using a laptop or using an app that can give you access to a calculator like this. Should have been familiar with this. Oh, I'm going to be showing certain things you need to pay attention to, even as you use the Jamb calculator to solve your respective Jamb courses you'll be taking or Jamb exam you'll be taking. Maybe physics, chemistry, mathematics, or accounting. Now, two things to have an excellent result. One is you have to master your trigonometry table, e.g. like the sin 30 equals 0.5 or 1/2, and your standard form, which is very, very important. You can look at it, you can see the table here in the video you're watching right now. It says sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1/2, sin 45 1/2, sin 60 √3/2, sin 91, sin 180 0, 1 to 70. Because 0 is 1, very vital, and √3/2 1/2. So go through the table. It will actually help you. I'm going to show you how to use the table to solve. Now look at these examples I gave here, and I'm going to be showing you their usage in the next few minutes. Sin 30 is 0.5 or 1/2. Now it is necessary for you to not just know it as a fraction, but also know the decimal, so that you can save time. For example, that is what 0.5. Sin 60 is 0.866, which is √3/2, and cos 60 is 0.5 or 1/2. Sin 45 is 1/2 or 0.7071. 45 1/2 also 0.701. Tan 30 is 1/3 or 0.5774. Tan 60 is 3 or 1.732. Tan 45 is 1. Now, certain things you must know, as such as that your sin 30 equal to cos 60 degrees, and 60 degree equal to cos 30 degrees, and 45 degree equals to your cos 45 degree. How do you use this trigonometry and calculator to smash your exam and have a 300 plus in your Jamb? Let's look at a question under physics. A body of mass 6 kg rests on an inclined plane. The normal reaction is R and limiting frictional force is F, as shown in the image below. If F equals, that's the frictional force, is 30 Newton, and G, as friction due to gravity, is 10 meters per second square, then the angle of inclination is what? Now you can see the diagram below talks about the normal reaction, the frictional force opposing the movement of the mass of 6 kg on the inclined plane. How do you go about this? You remember, I'm not teaching physics. I just want to show you how you can do it. If you have any question, you can put it in the description below. Now, you have the normal reaction R, you have the weight, And you also have what we call your frictional force also. Remember that there's one in the Newton law of motion. There's actually one of the laws of motion that talks about the resultant force equals to the mass acceleration. But based on the fact that the body is at rest, so there's no acceleration which is equals to 0. What do? You resolve the forces, and you have what we call your weight sine theta. Weight equals to mass times mg. That's assuming the gravity minus your friction equals to 0. And you have weight sine theta equals to F, weight equals to mg. And when you calculate, you can see what I did here. I put 30. Now we're looking for the theta. Now it's someone that knows that whenever we have 0.5, the theta there will be 30 degree. Whenever we have 0.866, that will be what? That will be 60 degree. Remember what I showed you over here. Very vital. So if you do it together, I say 30 over 6 times 10, which is your mass times your gravity. What do you end up having? You end up having this. Let's quickly go to the projector question. Another question, projector. You have a projector is fired from the ground level with a velocity of 300 meters per second, an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate the time taken to reach the maximum height. We're looking for the time taken to reach the maximum height. So total time taken formula is just your total time of flight is 2u sine theta over g. That means the time taken to reach the maximum height will be half of it, which is u sine theta over g. That will be, you have 300 sine 30. All sine 30 is 0.5. Divided by 10, your answer is 15 seconds. Size D. What do you need to know in standard form? You must need to divide and calculate decimals and fractions with the use of standard form. This will help you to save time when you are calculating during your Jamb. Either you are doing accounting, physics, chemistry, economics, or any calculation subject in Jamb or mathematics. For example, you have 2 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 4 times 10 minus 5. What do? You must need to use standard form properly. So if you love this video, kindly click the subscribe button, like, and also share to your friends. Watch out for more videos from K Tutorial Academy. Thank you.